everyone, I am Anjali Dadiwal, Managing Director, Team 360. Today, I invite DD Sir for discourse on 11th shloka of first chapter of Bhagavad Gita. As you know, DD Sir always discuss the importance of the techniques of Bhagavad Gita in daily life. This is a unique quality of respected DD Sir. So, I would like to invite DD Sir.
Today we have discourse on 11th sloka of first chapter of Bhagavad Gita under 700 days wisdom mission. Okay. First of all, I would like to thank to Anjali ma'am for giving me invitation for this purpose. Okay. Then second, I also extend my thanks to Hema ma'am for digital support, and also our thanks to Rajesh for making PPTs. Okay, so what is this important sloka is 11th sloka of first chapter, collective support, collective participation in the battle. Duryodhana approached to the Dronacharya for this purpose that ainesu cha sarvesu yatha bhagam vavasthita bhisme va bhisraksantu bhavanta sarva evi, कि you all people, you all are warrior, but you give your full support and protection to Bhisma Pitame, because Bhisma Pitame is the superior most commander in chief of our army. Okay, this is the main important in the daily life, in our families, in our offices. We also give our full support to the chief executive or head of the family. If we provide our full support to our head of the family and in offices and in our companies for chief executive, then we will complete our targets in time. In our families also we will have a smooth relations and our all works accomplished in the time if we provide our full active support to our head of the family. In same in the companies also, chief executive officer needs your complete support. So Duryodhan politicalized the situation to demand in favor of himself that active support you all provide to him and he will provide to me. Okay, next, कौरव सेना के सभी योद्धा गणों से आग्रह करता हूं कि सब अपने मोर्चे पर अडिग रहते हुए भीष्म पितामह की पूरी सुरक्षा करें, पूरी सहायता करें. Significant points about this sloka is simply that politics to take support from Bhisma. Second, all commanders will provide protection to Bhisma Pitame, and Duryodhan is dependent on his supporters because internally he feels weak, he feels miserable, he feels perturbed, he feels perplexed. So he is accumulating and he is taking support of all yodhas like Bhisma Pitame, Dronacharya, and give them suggestions that they all will सपोर्ट टू भीष्म पितामह. सारे लोग भीष्म पितामह का सपोर्ट करें और भीष्म पिता वो वटवृक्ष है जिसके तहत हम सब सुरक्षा प्राप्त करते रहेंगे और इस युद्ध को विजय कर पाएंगे. ओके, learning is simple learning. Collective support is needed for every purpose, you know, in near our life. Secondly, internally Duryodhan is weak. Similarly, we people, either of the family or of enable, we sometimes feel weaker, weakest, weak. So we should take support of others. Okay, Bhisma is senior most and Bhim is very inexperienced in the eyes of Duryodhan. So Duryodhan said that our victory is everywhere, every time will be possible under the supervision and under the commander in chief of भीष्म पितामह. ओके, हिंदी में अपन ऐसा कहेंगे कि भीष्म पितामह की सुरक्षा में ही हम सब की विजय निश्चित है. इसलिए आप अपने जिन जिन रणनीतिक पॉइंट्स पे खड़े हो इनको सपोर्ट कीजिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच.